Editing options. Let's discover how you can edit sounds in the all-new Vadi Sound Library. First of all, as a Vadi Sound Library user, I'd like to tell you that you have a lot more options as high pass, low pass, spot 2, time shift, reverse, multi-channel select. All these features are designed for you to organize your work in the easiest way. For example, spot 2. There's a hotkey. After you pick your DAW and then the sound's time selection, you can press the S key and send it to your DAW with ease. High pass, low pass editing feature can be used in many different areas. For example, you can use the low pass, high pass feature when you want to use your sounds between changing scenes. It is widely used in underwater mixing. Say you want to alternate any sound effect in Cloud Library. Welcome to reverse editing. Vadi Sound Library provides specific solutions for your works with its editing sections, high-quality sounds, simple solutions with Vadi Sound Library. Join us now.